welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to unbox a tripod that I got to be able to help me to vlog. It has four stands, quadri something that it has, and also it has something that will help to rotate it. So here it is. I got this tripod for 2,500. So I want us to unbox it and yeah, you see how it looks like. Sounds like this. So this is how it looks like, and let me first pull here. This is ikona hii kitu ya kuadjust. You open here to allow this one to rotate in front and backward. Then you, if you want it to stand, you tighten here. Then you have these to rotate in different angles, 360, and yeah, it's like that. So huku chini kwa stand, it has 4 legs like this. It has 4 legs like that. So I want to show you it stretches 1 meter, 1.6 meter long. Something like 1.6 meters long. In here where it is written there's the length, but if you can see here, the balance handle, the stainless steel rod, the legs, the kona mbili refu and 2 small ones, the phone mount, alafu 1 1/4 screw and remote control. So the remote control is here, this one. I have difficulties removing it. Oh, this one. So it is like that. With the tallness of the tripod, it's more than this. It's full elastic like that. This is how tall it is. Yeah, it is tall, so tall. For you. It is like that. The height of my new tripod. There's something I've forgotten to add. You see this part here. Let me reduce it like that. This part here, let me reduce it again. Here, it can rotate. If I want to take selfie, I put it like this. If I want to do like to record YouTube videos, I put the phone here. So for selfie, you just rotate. You see here, that's another thing. You just rotate for portraits, for landscape, like that. Okay, so that's something that I've forgotten to say. Yeah, and just you tighten here, and you have to make this thing a little bit looser so that to avoid weakening this thing and also breaking. So when you're folding it, don't make it too tight to avoid damaging your this part, and also this part you have to check, because there's some angle. Don't force it to bend. You see, like here it is refusing to completely bend, but if I rotate in another angle, it will go completely lie like this. So you have to be careful with it. See,